Disinlung. It's a journey, bro. Looks like it. Ai, diễn vào nữa thả, bắt nữa thả. Ai ai. Gaji bao nang nung ita fra, bani po ngang ulit me. Ringlanliu kamei caught in 4K yang. Bây giờ là cũng nửa đó. Đây. Suruh mana saya, kau tahu saya. Suruh tu di mana? Suruh. Baik, baik. Rongmei. My God, lôi chứ tôi coi. Nè xa một kiểu con này ngâm thế. Boy Manipur. Bro, on the move, bro. We are on the move.
Built by inserting the metal tip into the buckle. Tighten by pulling the loose end. Open by lifting the buckle. Keep your seatbelt fastened at all times. In case of low...
We're on the boat, we're on the boat. Ringlanliu saja. Pele barai, orang itu. Proses barai. Oh God. Wati pos gare baba. Wajo, pasi dah, nai na. Wati tengok na bang, saya we are in Goa. Hati, tak leh tengah itu. Nang itu kau macam mana kat tu ni?
Hẹn người hay nó có tay trong công việc thôi.
Ada.
Hẹn của nó.
Semua seru. Heading to the hotel to stay till our departure time of train.
Rồi thế cái thà tính là nó xuống.
Ai nhá.
Nang hầu thế này nó sẽ cái gì sao? Train delay sebab thế. Phong có đây có salo kan mai cha, phong snai có salo thế. Gặp đi chơi, đi sebab đã shit. Son thế này, lu có son thế này, lu có son thế này. Này bắt đầu. Bắt đầu. Mày ơi, full lâu đâu.
Good morning, people. Today we are in Siliguri. We are here for doing shooting. So we will start the shooting today. Now it's 4:40. So we'll be preparing for our food and all because we'll be going to somewhere far and maybe 4 hours from the place that we stay. 그다음에 Korean video. 이제 남들언니 언니나 내시 music 장르와 탁노와 통로와 James Harney making crew me absolutely don't be right here you can see our cameraman is sleeping don't be here then I assume to boss in the corner still sleeping. Heroin and the makeup. So we're gonna start cooking. Yeah. For you, so we'll be cooking. So guys, we'll see you. I'll show you with YouTube. English is tại đang bị số cùng nữa. So this is all camera, videographer, still sleeping. Gak lupa kau ni nak? Gak lupa ni nak? Tanya nak?
Cô yêu dịch sinh là bác sinh sorry. Rằng là bị tụt thùng mà lôi rồi. So here's the view. I'm gonna make up tonary ma'am. Cô gì makeup artist Miss Alanah. Mà gì chúng ta thì không rời khỏi. Rồi xin là cô gì legendary actress Ringlanliu. Cô mẹ in the ring sinh xuống này. Lần năm. Năm là Ringlanliu bữa kia sẽ kéo xuống nó xin. How many times? 2 times. Okay. Rồi nó là lần kia scan xuống nó, nó số 2 times, sai được số khang nhà rồi đi. Xin là coi cái camera, videographer, Mr. Gaichui Riamei all the way from Nani. Yang ngomong lagi pasal bersama tamse. Hero lagi kamera na pasal mahal ini kan. Not raw. Not late. Okay, man. Nice. Aduh sih ya. Not love ni not left. Pare, pasal. Ya. Whoa. The hero, Mr. Disinlung kamei. I'm serious already, masih. Wait, kita meeting tu pasal Rongmei. Yang view. Your name? What is your name? What is your name, Satu? What is your name? Oink. Mày cái gì sao mày thôi? Nấy đây giờ đây. What is your name? Mình chắc ai thế này nè. Masih ya Mikare, Cinematographer. Bye bye Sito. See you Sito. Bye bye Sito. Yes. Okay, mày am cái gari số lao tao đây. So we're gonna travel 4 hours, I think, from here. कितना आदमी जाएगा भाई यहाँ में? कितना आदमी होगा? 14 से हो जाएगा ना? आदमी कितना? 10? अच्छा 10
ये तो हाथ पे पकड़ के रखता था खाना ये चीज खाना आगे आगे भी उसमें
Okay so มายามสุลอยทรีเมื่อกี้ cameraman สุดทอลักลอยทรีภาษาละเรื่องอะไรน่าจะ continue สุดคนไหนนบีให้ไปสิ makeup ยาวจังครีสนัดที่ให้ไปสิมีอันคำบิว makeup ยาวดูดิมีนุปีนัดยองนี่โอเคมีอันคุยmusic listen more เลยนะเรน music จัดนะเมื่อกี้ ready เลยเรน very soon ไงเลยเรนมีอันเรนเอาผมอยู่กันนะโอเคสิที่ 4 hours ตัวนี้ให้ so let's see ยังไงสิเอาดูนะมีอันคุยแต่มาเจอพระนักบิรามูให้ไปดีคุยสิอาหารบ่อยเนาะคุยสิยุ่งที่ far ให้เท่าไหร่ก็ distance จังเลยก็ spring to seven so alright yeah I'll see you later guys love you
Is that it? Well, I'm gonna
ready already Mr. Guys you Riamei this is my kamei
broken it soon, yeah. Something is broken.
我是 traffic jam 嚟ยาม嚟นี่ให้ดูยังรู้สึกก็ยามต่อยังรู้ให้เท่าไหร่ยอดนะแล้วมีให้ต่อเลยก็
Hello.
Sedin kiri bawah हम यहाँ से दार्जिलिंग थोड़ा हमको मानी कर हम जा रहे हैं तो मुझे हम कर रास्ता में दुख तकलीफ परेशान से प्रभु तो देवा चाहें जरा वो आपको ज्ञान वो दे देना तो वो हम लोग जो हम लोग जाते हैं तो आपको
Bây giờ mình निकलने वाला है बाय
sáng thì sao stable to cái gì vậy
stable in vậy otherwise đây nè quay cho tôi Riamei जो yang ursi traffic jam so yang tôi hay jadi juga posa cái sự nổi lên có cái núm mấy bị đấy simple
sai part
so với thôi là giờ quay lại vào cái mình sẽ cầu đấy năng hay đi hay này
phan có sự đó không đúng là
làm vậy sorry quay friend Darjeeling cái cà phê lâm đại hai trời có food hill showกันมาให้ดูcái sầu thiêu giang xì We're already in the foothills, man. It's chilly over here, kind of chilly, kind of cold feeling. Look, our hero is like wearing blazers already, and we in Gaichui use t-shirt, and we are feeling cold here, man. So if you're trying to go Darjeeling right now, then you have to wear some sort of, jacket and all, okay? I know my English is kind of good, but it's okay. Well, guys, it's freezing here, man. My God, you can see my goosey bumps. It's very cold here, man. It's very cold. We're about to reach Darjeeling, but we have 15 minute laps here. Oh my goodness, very, very cold here, man. Very cold. It's a very still thick, man. Nice, man, nice. It's very chilly over here, man. Now we are back on the track after having one sip of chai, which you call cha. Our hero also looking very handsome right now, man. Yo, the cameraman. Oh, sorry, videographer, I mean. Oh, I'm sorry, cinematographer, I mean. From Rongmei. So we are on the way to the Darjeeling. We still have around 1 hour to go. नमस्कार भाई लोग, हम लोग भी दार्जिलिंग जाने के लिए 1 घंटा बाकी है और हम लोग ट्रैफिक में स्टक हो गया। तो देखो ये हीरो भी जॉइनिंग कर रहा है और वीडियोग्राफर भी उदास दिख रहा है और मैं तो क्या करूँ मालूम ही नहीं चल रहा है। अभी थोड़ा गर्म हो गया, मैंने धूप निकल के हम लोग को टच किया है तो थोड़ा गर्म फील हो गया। अभी इसको देखो, इसको देखिए आप, देखो ये कैमरा का ये मेकअप का क्या हालत हो रहा है देखो, और हीरोइन तभी नागिनी बन गया। अरे भाई जी कितना बाकी है? आधा घंटा, चलिए। ओके सो गाइस मिलते हैं बाद में, हम पहुंचेगा तो हम ब्लॉग करेगा, तुम लोग को दिखाएंगे, ठीक है? बाय बाय। Oh, it's a train, baby, train, mini train. Now I will zoom in and show you the mountain range of Sikkim, where you can see a snow mountain. Look at that, look at that. Oh my god, we want to go but there, you know, due to some floods and all, many crashes is happening in Sikkim right now, so we can't go, so we are just letting you see the snowfall, snow mountain. Okay, this is not an ordinary mountain, it's a snow mountain. Okay, I'm taking it with my Vivo V29 Pro. Okay, so we are in the rock garden of Sikkim. यहाँ से अंदर में भी है ना? अंदर में भी है ना? यहाँ से जाके अंदर में क्या है?
क्या अंदर? उधर तो पार्किंग है।
अच्छा पार्किंग है, तो यहाँ ऊपर जा सकते हैं ना?
ये गार्डन है।
अच्छा चलो,
एक्चुअल गार्डन ही है।
ओ एक्चुअल गार्डन ये है। अच्छा ठीक है, थैंक यू। चलो, दिस इज रॉक गार्डन के लिए हम लोग लोकेशन देख रहा है। सो कोई यौरे मफम से लोकेशन से येंग तारे फजे सी स्टेयर का खाली फजगनी से पी नुपा से सिंखल मौं कई तौर असम लाइट साइड की लौब यानी वाइट थाड़ी फजगनी यानी में यानी वाओ व्हाट अ लोकेशन, I love it, nice. Oh, how guy my Darjeeling Tong, the rock garden cute hey. Ati ga mo kai zao si waterfall ko na ni. How day di long ni di long no we gi. Di long am pra kai ko ma zang right now. Hai di thay. Deco, it's not beautiful. Oh god. Nice man, nice. Super. So good. Perfect locations man. Right now, hero also doing makeup. Was it makeup hooray hero so? Aduna mayam yargadi support of you. Aduga sige Alanah. Sina khoi ki ko. Makeup artist have tare. Yung wow, nung si masak kasi bang lao din na. Nung si do. Magi minom may sasi yung miyaman. So this is a shooting spot right now. We're gonna shoot.
Ngami dah, ai dah. Khak na ingat apa ni? Ngami. Mòn về mày.
Quay một hạt lại taxi sin ama ka phang yam di phang re vi traffic jam chino wei gi tam do ai mang re mo gi durga puja ban mo me na mo gi festival a chobo em ni na hayeng mu try daw ni hayeng yaring is sin ahum lon ma daw ni yam hayeng amok update to the so koi halai saya pun mau minta pun ni jadi orang pun kita pun kamu tahu musik pun teret hele tu Nipan taram dah ko 7:45 dah le tu nasi di yum yorga rest dor ni atau yang continue dor ni yang worst one see video sing I mean see support to you na Haijuri koigi tapina ba mi am sulung ware mai war le hero masamak suti ware koigi makeup to kari hiding jano koi makeup tum tang sida yeng bira di nuai ni makeup
This Alanah.
Alanah tar basar sing
Alanah gangte.
masih am sar male nupa mo na bagi tabak tori kan na na me am yare off the risk come good morning koi ngasi second day shooting mo hodo re koi chani ngai lulu silai makeup kana tori dress kana yengi hey itu lun na aku ni ngada mo abo aduna miyam kasi koi kasi chabakan tea garden chakani do monastery koi chakani masi sin ahum rai lo ma to ga adu ga di kasi koi siking jawan up chau khran ni aduna miyam video sing I minersi tis mazama thokra ni do miyam yingir mo hi channel do ko koi ju makeup hore
Video
sorry
Bạn không mong
Khoi shooting zu kana hore si second day gini. Mr. Ringlanliu. Ana maya ming go zu khro ngai bu so in the rings and zu khne ko myam no ko. To makeup tourist na khoi gi legendary Up Alanah phaomei. Ming du sum phaomei or phaore ma se. Hai dare. Dan si gi sin se sari se la Bollywood kitang sang ni. Ana mayam tang meaning time there say yaring ng si sin ba tawge. Makeup to have say am lui have the layer kana nap sil yingo si mit ki pa nap se si so makhala mani. Okay, anyway, see you guys. We are back on track again. So brother, your name was like
Hello, myself John from
from
Darjeeling.
Darjeeling, okay. So he'll be guiding us today and our crew is back. So we'll be doing shooting the second day. Yesterday was terrible. We could not do anything because of traffic jam and all. But now I think everything will be fine and good. So where are we going now?
Today we are heading towards Mirik.
Mirik, okay.
Yeah.
Mirik. So we'll get monastery out there, right?
Yeah, monastery is
Okay.
there.
Okay. So we came to Darjeeling especially for that monastery because we don't find anything out there in our Manipur.
Oh,
That's the reason.
okay, sure. Today
Yeah,
we'll
we'll
go.
go and we'll enjoy. So we'll show you guys when we reach the spot. See you. We're on the way to Mirik. And our first shoot of the day will be in a tea garden. So we're on the way. And we'll be going to the Mirik lake site. And many more we're gonna explore today. So yes, let's see what happened. I hope we can make another good videos. So we still have 21 kilometers to travel in Mirik. Okay. The traffic was so damn bad yesterday. It was so bad.
Here you will not find that traffic.
Yeah.
It's Mirik.
So we were like waiting and waiting and waiting. And then, you know, people over there were so romantic, okay?
Great, that's the thing.
Yeah. Wherever I see, whatever I see, they're holding hands and walking together. The couple, that's what I see.
Yeah, yeah.
Small to big one. It was so romantic. So for a couple, I think it's important to visit Darjeeling
Yeah, for sure.
once in a while, no? Hello guys, we have reached our shooting spot and it's an amazing place. I will show you now. The back side you see is a tea garden. Look at that. So good, right? Yeah. So good. So today locations will be here. Today we'll shoot here. It's a tea garden. You can see it's very beautiful, you know. See the sky just keys the green and it looks so beautiful. Look at that, man. Amazing nature, so good. We'll be shooting here, okay? So we specially came Darjeeling for this only because we cannot find anything this in Manipur. That's the reason why we're gonna do this. Let's do it. Yeah. Akoi spot yore hozik kana hero gi makeup satari fazadra koi hero singu naire koi Rongmei di mana tano kari sulaitre tano fazare naire tano video so fazan si sina koi legendary makeup artist Alanah di Souza ยังไม่มีนกสนิมยามกินเนอร์สเตียลสิ yeah so now Gaichui the editor คอยเอาเทงบ่คริวคอยเอาเทงบ่คอยตันบ่ก็พอใจยังไม่ยอมฟังสิยังตัว oh my god mother nature mother nature มาเซมาเกไอสเต็ปที่วัดประกอบตัวกี้ค่อยน่ะเครื่อง artificial ทำแม้ตัวมีอะไรนี่ให้เนี่ยโอ้ยวิดีโอที่อุดไว้แล้วก็ภาษาเรียงตัวก็รีกี้ไอสเต็ป surgery ตัวด้วยนู้สมัยว่างาตังกี่เลยตัวก็รีนั่นหรอใช่ป่ะไม่ยังนั่นหรอไม่กับไปที่ไหนไปรู้มั้ยshooting spot 有 Riamei ยังโอเคแล้ว first car ว่าจำนากีประกันน้อง zero right now first day nice สิคอยไม่ให้ตัวมิริดMirik sorry Mirik กิจการนี้ให้แกแล้ว first car ว่า from no ยังวิวไหมยัง look at the place the scenic beauty of Mirik. What? Bắt mình ơi. Riêng có được nhỉ? Tao nãy đâu riêng gì mà? Riêng nãy đâu? Dạ đây. Cái bác không tất cả. 200. Taking sudah dah, bukan? Bukan betul lah tu. Okey. Kau tu lari pun sih, kau lari dulu tak? Kita lalu tu dah, kita. Jadi kau lagi ding mana? Kau tu. Jadi kita lakukan apa? Kemana? Kita hantu nak. Yes. Kabung sini enggak? Kabung sini kan enggak? Dulu saya.
Dekat ada mana tu di yang?
Sudah yo. Các tin Jaopian, các tin Jaopian mình nông luôn mu. Ê, chỉ long tôi mà nghe. Các tin Jaopian mà mình nông luôn mu. Diên mây năng ta nó, diên mây thổ dài hơn đấy. Đây. Yeah. Được không? Rồi một sau, đấy mình theo này. Hey, dễ mày go. Okay, đây. Mình sẽ thêm đi thôi rồi. Không cây thô. Rau thô. Phải là cây thô. Rau rư thô. Hoặc cái thô. Đúng không là không? Không đúng. Đúng. Rau thô kata. Nó đi tim không ạ. Rau thế. Rau thô. Okay. Rồi rau thô. Và đừng quay thô. Yes, rau thô. Rau thô phải là bằng tốc tốc. Rồi. Đây nó tiếng ó. Nó. Mình cái teo. Mà là đây nó. Nó cũng nó. Nếu nó bắt cái bắt cái đây, như này rau đó. Bắt cái yes, kalau set ya đấy. Okay. Video lo intro.
Nantana ai ruina oh my god koi Jaopen Makmei.
From Rongmei guys, Jaopen Makmei. Nice place. What do you call this lake?
Mirik lake.
Mirik Lake. Okay, this is called Mirik Lake. Mirik Lake how it was. A lake the Jaopen surrounding. Korakai going out there. Many tourists. Hey, ready? Disinlung na Jaopen na. Nampak tu nak. So action, tutup. So okay, action. Lát sau. Ringlanliu hậu thế. Chụp suy cây thôi. Không cây thôi. Nín khát thôi. Cả là giáo đủ. Và thôi không gì. Đi xin mày cái đi thôi. Hậu bom cái. Dính hậu thôi. Và thôi. Okay. Hello guys. Today I'm Nepali. Yeah. Hello guys, today I'm Nepali. Hero also Nepali. Disinlung also Nepali today. Ringlanliu also Nepali. What do you look? Alanah also Nepali. Oh my god, another lichi bro. Nepali man bro. Nepali man. Oh, beautiful. Say we set up a plan to when you Satpaya because of some inconvenience. So we say 27 Jalani. Wow. Sita kan sa isola kan na chak tong ni tawre ko heroin say aduga sita na ko ge ko make about the same Naidra Alanah phaomei man alu kan Gaichui alu su ma mai cái thằng sò ngoài đâu nên tôi bù già rét mình rét masih ai hinzang thong dori alu su sansa okay nang ren thong mo dori ga maya mo sa utur ke na droga process story ne ko hajir ke kwa ado handaki shooting si yam nungai ki awa suwa ki hai tare mano bu su ai na ko se khadi matam si mang khai kwa ado we managed to finish in 2 days, so we did it. But I'm telling you, Orang Monastery, moi ko fuzz the lawyer. Chinese ki vibe man lai bang. Chinese vibe man. Ado ko ni nai ni se. Ado mayam ai jang ko ge, friend mo ko nervous. Peace out guys. Mayam anh nga sa happy kip do ay hinzang tong zero na singu si season sa kwa manung saga mix daw ka tong zaba alu ka hapaga hangin na asi anis na igi assistant habitar kwa aman na alam na maksudai sina Ringlanliu maksudai yung kunok sing ani yes masih kan ngari to zik ma azna mo to sa hay okay so hinzang say mahi crap tip story it's abayar. Now we are going for shopping, checking out this Siliguri bazaar. Girls are not getting ready yet. This hero is ready. Yo, looking very handsome, sexy boy, sexy in the sky. And Ringlanliu is always doing number one. I don't know why something is leaking. Because nobody can say anything. Now another leak is coming out. Miss Alanah Gangte.
Alanah, atau zat na paham.
Oh, look at the face. Oh my god. Our reaction is very. So guys, we are out with the girls. This is 2 chicks in the sky. And this is me. And heroes in the back. So did you see the building? That's where we stay. So yeah, let's go and check out the bazaar. Okay? Bye. Roaming with the auto. What is the Golden Plaza? That's very.